What's going on, YouTube? It's Eric again. I'm here at McNamara Landing here south of Lansing, Michigan. I drive by this place every day when I go to work, so I figured I'd kind of go for a walk here. I got my GoPro camera on here and I got my iPhone camera. We're going to do a little bit of vlogging, maybe just a little bit of scenery taking here, but I'm going to kind of get back into a little bit of the vlogging scene. So guys, buckle up, get a favorite beverage, and let's go walking. Hey guys, I'm only about 10 minutes into the video here, and I never even realized this lake was back here. There's a little bit of a public access, which is kind of right there. We can bring a small boat, unmotorized boat, obviously. There must be fish in this lake here. I'm going to have to come down here with my fishing rod and try to see if I can catch any fish. Coming across down here on this trail here, and what do I see? I see a Christmas tree. Here we go, back up this hill. All right, now I know how to read these maps like a fool after the third time of me videoing this. We are right, oh, there we are, right here at Peppermint's Creek Bend at 25, which is right there, number 25. So what I'm gonna do is go down Peppermint Creek Trail here, and then we're gonna hit 31. We're gonna come down, come loop over that green is all the way over onto the right side, and we're coming right back to the landing. Holy crap, I'm surprised that held me. Ugh, dog turd. Yeah, but guys, I'm really impressed with kind of what I've seen here so far. The trail seems to be growing pretty good. They're well taken care of, I can tell you that. I don't know who does it. I don't know if the county does it or whatever, but I'm very, very impressed. So I'm gonna leave it up to here, guys. I'm gonna end the video. Let me know comments, criticisms, what I could do better here. I know this is my first kind of vlog video I've done in some time, but you know, it is what it is. Guys, take care. See you next time.